morning. This is Dr. Chavan, DV Chavan from Deep Dragon Water Divining Services. We are providing these services past 40 years. Our success rate is almost 97 to 98%. Today I am doing the survey for Mr. Purushottam brother. He is, we have provided him about 3 points earlier in Tavrakere where he got very good water. Now he has called me here. So we are doing, your name sir? Tyagras. Okay. This is a, we are doing the test with the electrical earth resistivity meter. Our this specialty of this equipment, we can do for a smaller property and we can scan the property up to the deep of 1650 feet. And we can take the 3D picture as well as graph picture. We can know what is the quality of the rock, where the water is there. And second thing, before doing this method, just I want to introduce the system, how it works. This system, we have got the touch screen monitor. We have got the touch screen monitor, and this shows the micro screen is there. It shows the depth, curve, and the 3D picture. We have got two electrodes which we put it every, first we put it 5 meters and every half meter we go on changing. And before doing this method, we are using the traditional method using the dowsing. For the dowsing, we use the EMF meter. There we check the earth resistivity, and the second we use the magnetic compass. By magnetic compass we see the magnetic field of the earth, and third we use the dowser. In this dowser, first we'll scan the point, 2 or 3 points. From there we will go for further testing. Now I am using the dowser. I am checking the particular point. Here there is one point is there, and this water is going out this side, which we already tested. Okay, here we have got a point. The point water is come channel which is there. It is almost about 5 feet. It is 5 feet by 5 feet junction is there. This water is moving from the east to west, again from the north to south and south to north. Water outlet is gone towards the east. Water outlet is gone towards it. The dimension of the junction is almost about 10 to 12 feet is the junction. This is the junction dimension. Now we will take the second reading using the EMF meter. We'll take the second reading using the EMF meter. Here we are getting the reading almost about, maximum we are getting 13 and minimum we are getting 8 to 9. Third reading we will take using the magnetic compass. In the magnetic compass we are taking reading, where we are getting the reading about, at this point we are getting out 105 degrees east, and if we are going away from that point we are getting about 95 degrees. 10 degrees is the deflection. Now after confirming this point, we have tested 3 points. From this we have taken white because the entire water of the property is going out toward the east and it is coming from the west. Now we are taking the next reading. Take the electron. Is a rod. ये rod इधर लगा. You be there. Take the umbrella. Yeah. Yeah. First we are doing the ground testing. Press it down. Press. Now leave it. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಹಾಕು. ಡೌನ್ಗೆ ನೀರು ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ಗೆ. ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋ ನೀರು. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕೋ ನೀರು. Okay. Now we are starting. We have tested the line test where we are getting the grounding good. Now here we are getting the curve map, and from the curve map we will see the 3D picture. Each meter we are getting the readings. What is the frequency? Now the frequency we are getting the rock frequency. Then we can see the depth. Still we are getting the rock. Like this we are taking almost about 90 readings for each point. Now this is the first point we are doing the testing. Like that we are going to do the test with different point, and which is the exactly the frequency. Based on that we analyze and we will finalize the point. Once it will over, it will give the sound and the light will glow. And still the reading is going on. Yes. ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಹಾಫ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅರ್ಧ ಮೀಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಮೀಟರ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಮೀಟರ್. Yes. Now first we do the line test. Yes, good. Now we'll record. This is we are doing the second point. When we are doing the second point, from here we have taken the first point at the 5 meters. First point is at the 2.5 meter center. Now this is the second point we are testing, which is the about from this place about 3 meter distance. The point which we are going to test, that will be about fourth point. This is the first point, second, third, fourth, that is the fifth point. For each, we are doing the scanning up to 500 meters, that is 1,650 feet deep. And this goes, we are getting 3D picture. One is microscopic ground picture, and second one is 3D picture where we can see the rock condition, how much water is there, at what level it is there. Each point we take about 99 reading data we take, and then we analyze it. Total we are going to do the 10 point testing. For each point testing it takes about 3 minutes. So we are taking now testing about 10 points. It will take approximately 30 to 45 minutes for the entire option. The specialty of this equipment, for the smaller property, electrical earth electricity meter can be done in the traditional method, where in India we are going up to maximum 300 meters. Where this is we are going up to 500 meter deep. And second thing here, specialty for the smaller property also we can do. But in traditional method, we want the huge property where acres of land, at least both the sides we got require about 1600 meters opening space, where this is not required that much. Some of the property have got 30-40 sites. We got very good water there. Couple of months back, April, I went to Shimoga, Sagar district. There we got 35 points were failed. We given the 14 points for Mohan tires, and they got almost from 3 inch to 6.5 inch water.
ಹೀರೋ ಹೊಂಡಾ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಹೀರೋ ಹೊಂಡಾ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಆ ಇದು ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ನಮಗೆ.
Yeah, next half meter. Yeah,
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
yes. वो आधा मीटर ले लो आगे.
ಏನು ಸರ್ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ. ಸರಿ ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವು ಇರ್ತೀರ ಒಂದಿನ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಂ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಗಾಡಿ ತೆಗೆದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋ ಕಾರ್ ತಂದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಟೂ ವೀಲರ್ ಬರ್ತಾರ.
This is the third point which we are testing now. Like this, we have to do almost 10 points. The same method, we are going to do 10 points, and from there we are going to select the best point, and those points will be analysis based on the condition of the rock, and the second point, which is very important, the quantity of the water and the depth. Here the next graph picture and 3D picture which we are getting it, there we can see the what is the curve, where is the fracture, how is the this thing.